Hello everyone, I am Khushi Gupta reporting live from the second edition of Economic Times Global Legal Convention 2025. And right now I have been joined by Meenal Maheshwari from Angel One. Hi ma'am, how are you?
I'm very good. Thank you for asking. And how are you?
I am great too. Ma'am, the DPTP rule has recently been released. So what challenges do you see and what prospects lie ahead?
Right. So that's a great question. The DPDP rules are the consultation ends today, and the public comments had to be submitted till today. The challenges, I think, once the act and the rules come into force, that I see really is for the companies to go back to their data architecture and find out where the data really lies, because the way the Indian companies have been built, this is not something that we've really deeply considered. And so finding the data and then organizing the data for to be able to start the process of being able to meet the legal requirements is going to be a massive one, will need support from every function of the company. So this means really high cross functional collaboration. So which is not an easy feat to meet. So I think once we're able to achieve the collaboration, we'll see that it will become easier to manage the law. But until all departments come together, I think it will be something that will be very difficult to adhere to.
Yeah. Talking about the event, I would like to ask you about the experience at this event.
Yeah. No, I've been partnering with ET for a couple of years now, and every time it's very insightful because gathering people from the industry and sharing the views is the only way to develop or influence policy, and also to learn from each other's challenges. And I think that's the best way to learn and grow, much better than any classroom. So I'm very grateful to ET to sponsor these events or to put together these events and get all of us together in a room. And it's also fun to laugh with all the different peers and colleagues.
Yeah, thank you so much for joining us. Stay tuned to AT Legal social media platform to know more about this event.